Jai Gurudev everyone. My name is Avni Alse. I am staying in grade 2. Today I am going to explain you about a refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. It is also called a fridge. It is used to keep things cold. It runs on electricity. It has three main sections: freezer, crisper drawer and the main section. In freezer, we keep frozen vegetables, ice and ice cream. In the middle section, we keep pastries, batter, etc. In the crisper drawer, we keep fruits, vegetables, etc. And in the side pockets, we keep bottles, pickle and juice. Now we will talk about few advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Daily shopping is not required, so a refrigerator saves time and money. A refrigerator keeps food items fresh and nutritious for longer periods of time. Disadvantages. Increases electricity usage, harmful to the environment due to CFCs. CFCs are harmful to the ozone layer around the earth. We tend to buy more, resulting in wastage. Now we will talk about few do's and don'ts. Do's. Use the food items first in first out basis. Keep food in their respective places. Don'ts. Do not store cooked food such as curry, sambar, idli, dosa, etc. Because if the cooked food should be consumed within 2 or 3 hours. Do not store food items such as potato, honey and banana because if they will lose their nutrition if they get cold. Do not keep food beyond their expiry date. Jai Gurudev.